guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is cocoa streusel muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Grease your muffin pan with melted butter. This is 2 cups of strong baker's flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and half cup of sugar. Just mix this and make well in the center, and then we're gonna pour in our wet ingredients. The topping, this is half cup of strong baker's flour with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 45 gram of unsalted butter. We're just gonna mix this until coarse texture or crumbly texture. Then we're gonna add in mini chocolate chips. You want to cut the butter with knife or fork. And then mix them until coarse texture or crumbly texture. That's about half cup of mini chocolate chips. You can also add nuts if you like maybe pecans or walnut. It's up to you. Now set this to side while we prepare wet ingredients. Wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 2 whole eggs that we're just gonna process in food processor until completely combined. Put in your wet ingredients and mix this until just combined. You do not want it to be overly mixed. Divide batter into prepared mold, and then we're gonna top it with our crumb topping. Now bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. From the oven and cool on cooling rack.